Chiegni Jatend piny migosi William Ruto ne otelo ne oganda jo Kenya e dhialo nyasi mar 60 mar odiochieng jotich kata Labour Day, nyasi no mabende nobagi e alap ma Uhuru Gardens e boma ma Nairobi. Jatend piny osingo maneno ni jotich mabende yudo osara matin omed osara kod 60%, mano kaka ne osingo e nyasi machal kod mano higa mokalo.
When we agreed to enhance pay by 6% last year, there ensued a debate, and some of the employers have not implemented the 6% we agreed on last year. It is not right, it is unacceptable, and I am directing the ministry to work with the head of public service to ensure that every employer makes sure that we implement the 6% increase of salary that we agreed upon last year, and to quickly embark on the exercise to put together the next agreement so that we can take it forward in the next time.
Jatend piny bende